Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to make this delicious, quick and easy salad. So let's get started. In a bowl, add some washed baby spinach. Add some sliced onion. Some pieces of orange. Some avocado. Some thinly sliced beetroot. Some fresh herbs. Add in some lemon juice. Crushed black pepper, some red chili powder according to taste, and salt according to taste. Now we'll mix this all together. Everything is well combined now. I will finish it off with some toasted crushed almonds on top and with some crushed feta cheese. And our salad is all ready to serve. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Share this with your family and friends. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.